the death.
And the other case sort of haunting the Milwaukee Police Department, those strip searches. Milwaukee police investigated dozens of complaints of illegal searches before they turned over 4 officers to the DA's office. However, there's one criminal defense lawyer in Milwaukee who says there should be or could be hundreds more behind bars. Our Chip Brewster shows us she believes a review of cases is going to show dozens of wrongful convictions.
When 4 Milwaukee police officers were charged last week in connection with illegal strip searches, the calls began to pour in.
The many calls that I'm sure all the criminal defense lawyers have been getting in town about my daughter was subjected to a body cavity search. He or she is doing 10 years, 15 years.
Criminal defense attorney Robin Shello believes many of them have legitimate claims.
My guess is that there are hundreds of convictions that result in these illegal body cavity searches that need to be looked at.
She's calling for the Milwaukee County District Attorney's Office to team up with the local defense attorney's bar. Shello would like such a task force to review all of the convictions these 4 officers have been involved with since they first put on the uniform.
Make sure that constitutional rights of other persons aren't violated in the future and that constitutional rights are restored to those who went to prison without due process.
However, the district attorney's office says it started such a process months ago. In a statement to Fox 6 News, Chief Deputy District Attorney Kent Lovern says, during the course of this investigation, we have examined numerous cases, some of which we have already dismissed. We will continue to evaluate other cases and address them in an appropriate manner. The 4 officers that have been charged are currently suspended with pay. They are scheduled to be back in court November 2nd for their preliminary hearing. Live in the newsroom, Chip Brewster, Fox 6 News.
A Kenosha County man had a rude awakening. He woke up to find a stranger in his house, and then he took matters into his own hands.